Hello, this is G. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course code is 19 CSE 314. The course name is Open Source Software. Unit 1. The topic is Free and Open Source Softwares. So, in this video, we'll see some of the free and open source softwares that is being used more widely by most of the persons, so mainly the student education community persons. So it has been a very useful thing for them to use in terms of studying or purpose or developing a program. So some of the open source softwares are it has been divided into various categories. So the first one is the operating systems. So in operating systems, we are having two open source softwares. Two open source operating systems. That is, first one is Linux, and the second one is FreeBSD. So Linux, as we know, it has like various distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. So it is a family of free and open source Unix like operating system. So free, and next one is FreeBSD. So this is an open source system, open source operating system based on the BSD, that is Berkeley Software Distribution. This is a Unix system. And next one is the web browsers. So we have we have many web browsers that is an open source, but mainly there are two web browsers that is being used more widely. So the first one is Mozilla Firefox. So this is fast and privacy like focused web browsers, and even we have this Firefox web browsers in mobile phones or Android phones. So the next one is Chromium. So this is an open source project that Google Chrome is based on. And next one is Office Suites. So in Office Suites is something like the Microsoft Offices that we use daily. So this is a kind of Office Suites that is an open source. So the first one is LibreOffice. So this is a powerful open source office suite which includes Writer, Calculator, Impress, etc. So this is an alternative open source to the Microsoft Office. So as we know, the Microsoft Office is not a free software. It is a proprietary software, so we have to pay for getting the license from the for to work with Microsoft Office. So this LibreOffice is an open source software, and it is has similar functionalities as compared with the Microsoft. This is similar one to the Microsoft Office. So the second one is Apache Open Office. So this is another open source office suite that is similar to the LibreOffice. So this has like word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations, and even more, that is um, similar to that of the Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Office. And next category is graphics and design. So under this graphics and design, we have some different open source OSS tools or softwares. The first one is GIMP, that is GNU Image Manipulation Program. So this is a powerful open source software that is used for editor. For photo editing purposes. So this is an alternative software used to Photoshops. So as we know, the Adobe Photoshops are one of the most common and widely used softwares, and it is a paid, and it is a paid one. That is this is a proprietary software. So GIMP can be used that has some similarity or similar properties to that of the Photoshops. And next one is Inkscape. So this is a graphics editor. This is a kind of vector graphics editor, and it is very useful for for creating illustrations and diagrams and designs. Creating ideal for creating illustrations, diagrams, and designs. And next one is Blender. So this is a 3D creation suite for modeling, animation, simulation tools. It is mainly used from, used animation and game designs. So there are like different softwares like that is used with that is used with some licenses. It is a proprietary software. So this blender has some similar functions as compared to the proprietary software, and it is like a free and open source software. And next category is music, the media players. So we have many media players. Mainly the Windows media player is a license oriented licensed key oriented process. So it is not an open source. So there's a media player called VLC media player. This is similar to the functionality as compared to the Windows media player. So this acts as an alternate to that of the Windows media player. And even the other players with good and best for playing the videos or the musics. So the second one is Audacity. So this is an editing software. So this is a highly audio editing software that is even used for recording and editing sound. So under the media players category, we have two free open source software. The first one is VLC media player, and the second one is Audacity. Next one is email client. So this is Thunderbird and Mailspring. So these are two email client software, free softwares used. And then comes the development tool. So this one includes Visual Studio Code. So this is most widely used. Next one is Atom. Next one is Eclipse. Then comes the JIT. Then the Docker. Thank you.